Shongdor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki Shipaya da Khappud India Bangladesh ki Border Security Force klayo ban Kurup hado lajar aspa hindre punyo tili ki Masi na Khappud ki Shongdor Palat Klur house name arjar arpuwe. Habakran shikla pathai ko bor ka singsa jan UDIG ki BSF Meghalaya frontier upravin bakshi ulapatai shphang ka benta jong ki BSF hakabile bagajing pahara yau Khappud India bat Bangladesh. Ulang baka jingjrang jong Khappud Meghalaya bat Bangladesh kalong hadu south pa south kilometer. Bat hosnam arjar arpraway ka jingya Kurup ikimar mata kibalat mu bat pinpa sa Bangladesh ne penrong sa India kalakot sa kalab kundai Klur tam. Nonor kata ulang bahosnam arjar arpraway ayo ban kem shispa san ngot kirunar Khappud bat kini kikentup iprap kundai ngot kinong India Henry pulai ngut kinong Bangladesh ngut kinong Nigeria bat uway in Africa. Shushu laang baki BSF kila IT ya kadwe ngut kinong Bangladesh kibla kombakla bandung sa India bat kibam shimladon kanu ka jingtemu kapas new.
Cycle rally was conducted in Meghalaya frontier to promote harmony and friendship along the border areas and to include the sense of mutual trust between the BSF groups and the BGB. It was basically to make youth aware participation of BSF in Bangladesh Liberation War 1971 and Mukti Vaini. Joint cultural program was also conducted at BOP Doki in the month of December 2021 to mark 50th year of liberation of Bangladesh and highlight the contribution made by BSF in 1971 Bangladesh Liberation War. During the events, people from both the sides of fencing witnessed the program. During COVID pandemic, besides adhering to all protocols, establishing quarantine centers, helping border population by distributing food and essential items, BSF Meghalaya frontier ensured 100% double dose vaccination to its healthcare workers and 99.89% to the frontline workers. BSF also vaccinated family members, retirees and other civilians as per the instructions. The plasma donation by BSF personnel at Nigrim was appreciated by one and all. And as you know, fight against third wave of COVID is still going on. Beside border duty, BSF Meghalaya has always helped needy bordering people through civic action program to enhance mutual trust and strengthen the relations of security force with the natives. During previous years, total 35 such civic action programs, including 19 medical camps, were organized by the frontier to undertake free medical checkups, distribution of medicines, wheelchairs, walker, stationary items, solar equipment, sports items, water tanks, sewing machines, computers and lot of other miscellaneous items. A 4-week pre-recruitment training was organized for 23 local boys and 32 girls under sector Tura with the purpose to provide employment opportunities and prepare local youth to join Central Armed Police Forces and Armed Forces. Has now become habit and routine of BSF. Cattle smuggling, trans-border crimes, IIG's movement, infiltration through unfenced patch are some main issues which are being taken care of. Troops of Meghalaya, BSF Meghalaya leaves no stone unturned to make the border safe and tranquil. Despite prevailing COVID situation and tough terrain, national security has never been compromised. Let's have a glance on some operational achievements made by BSF during 2021. Besides pandemic, 2021 has been a successful year for Meghalaya frontier. Meghalaya frontier has seized smuggled goods of more than 39.47 crore, which include 3,267 cattle, narcotics, dry peas, and other miscellaneous items. In addition to this, 155 miscreants were apprehended while violating the sanctity of international boundary, comprising 89 Indians, 63 Bangladeshi, 2 Nigerian and 1 African. Recently, BSF Meghalaya has also motivated and persuaded one of the active HNLC cadres, namely Junel Tongper, to surrender before the BSF, and such persuasion will continue in the future also, so that other misguided youth could be brought into the mainstream. For having peace and tranquility on international border, we know the importance of our relation with Border Guard Bangladesh, BJP. In a bid to strengthen the relation further, various measures have been taken. Besides various flag meetings at borders to sort out routine matters, IG level talk in the month of November was held to resolve complex pending issues and make borders safer. Besides many stray cattle which entered Indian territory, BSF Meghalaya handed over 11 Bangladesh nationals to BJP who crossed the IB unintentionally or with any non-peril intention.